This is your host Sharath and you're watching Neon Tech News, and today's hot news is the OnePlus 9 series. Yes, recently the OnePlus 9 series came into the Geekbench because of the leaked model number LUBAN LE2117, which was listed on the Geekbench website. This can be either the OnePlus 9 or the higher OnePlus 9 Pro, but most of the leaks say that this particular model number is related with the flagship level phones of the OnePlus 9 series, which of course would be the OnePlus 9 Pro. If OnePlus is going to follow the traditional path of the company, then this phone should arrive by the May of 2021. Since most of the leaks confirm that the LE2117 would be the flagship level phone, this phone will be running on the Android 11. This phone will be powered by the processor which is going by the codename Lahaina, which will be the Snapdragon 875 SoC. 875 SoC is a powerful processor with almost 1.8 GHz base frequency, and it's an octa-core processor. The phone also might come coupled with an 8GB RAM, which will give an immense performance coupled with the Snapdragon 875 SoC. This combination can give up to 112 single-core benchmark results and also 2733 multi-core benchmark scores. Apart from this, the phone will be having a 144 refresh rate display along with a Super AMOLED panel and is said to have a punch hole which will be right at the middle of the screen. The phone is said to be IP68 certified along with NFC support and also comes with dual stereo speakers. And coming to the batteries, we now don't have the exact amount of how much milliampere the battery would be, but all we know is the phone will be coming with a 65-watt wired charging as well as a 40-watt wireless charging. For more tech updates, do stay tuned to the channel and do subscribe to the channel if you are liking the content. Let's meet in another video.